is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to save and convert an image to a PDF on your Android tablet. So what we could do is just swipe up and go to Files. So if you took a picture, you should be able to see it under Files. So let me go back here, and I don't know how to get out of this at all. So let's go back, and I should be under Files now. There we go. I can go back. Now we can go to Images. Go to an image. So we just select this image right here, go to the top right, and we want to go to print. Now we're not going to print it at all, but we're going to bring it to the printing section. So I don't see an option under there, so let's actually click on the picture. Now I have the option to print. Perfect, okay? Now when you have this image up on here, we can go to select a printer, but we can go to save to PDF. So we can save it to PDF, and then we can go to save right here. And then we can save the image into, it looks like our downloads folder is going to go there. Now I believe we can select a different folder if we want. But I'm just going to save it into here. So I'm going to save it. Now what I can do is just go back. And it should be into our download folder right here. I just saved it into here. And you can see, look, it's a JPEG PDF file now. So you can see this is a PDF file. So if I want to send this to someone now or email it to someone, I have the option under here. I should have the option for Gmail somewhere in here. But go ahead and look for that messages. Here's Gmail. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.